Good afternoon, students. My name is Prakash Sangar, and today I explain you Ideal-Cipher Model. So, first question is what Ideal-Cipher Model? The Ideal-Cipher Model is a theoretical cryptographic model in which a block cipher is assumed to have as a random permutation for each secret. Key features: each key is defined a random permutation over plain text space. Encryption and decryption are determined perfectly reversible and no statistical patterns exist. Improve, impossible to decrypt for a truly random function. Assumption. Cipher is treated as a black box. Attacker has no knowledge to internal structure, only Oracle access to encrypt and decrypt. Cipher is a perfectly secure under the assumption. Working principle. Plain text is the mapped to ciphertext using a random permutation, and different key are different permutation like like one key, one key, one text AB, and this key one A and B2, and same plain text AB what different key. Okay. Purpose of ideal cipher model: simplify security analysis used to prove security to cryptographic schemes. Act as a benchmark of the real cipher block cipher. Application: security analysis for block cipher model PCB, CDA, CTR, GCR. Encryption protocols, academic research, and cryptographic too. Like some researchers are used to prove your theory, our theory, with help of ideal cipher model. Attacker perception per- cannot predict output, find characterless, explore explode patterns. All ciphertexts appear random. Like attacker do not predict pattern because every key are same. Advantage: easy theoretical analysis, strong security guidance under assumption, widely accepted model in cryptography. Limitation: not realistic in practice, like it is not a code to run and complete the theory. It is the theoretical algorithm. Like you assume, like you read a math math problem, real real block cipher are determined algorithm only an ideal assumption, not impletable. Yes, only a ideal assumption, not impletable. Means only you assume, not you implement in real world project. Thank you.